ओके, सो व्हाट्स कुकिंग टुनाइट इन रत्ना's किचन। आज क्या बन रहा है रत्ना के किचन में? यहाँ पे है राइस और लेमन है, चिलीज हैं, सब नट्स हैं। तो क्या बनेगा इसके साथ? लेमन राइस है ना, वही तो है। तो मैं आज आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ कैसे बनाते हैं लेमन राइस। सो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू रत्ना's किचन। Today I'm going to show you how to make a very quick and easy way of doing a lemon rice. If you have a leftover rice or something from last night or something, it's very easy and quick and very tasty to do it. So let's start the process. मैंने पैन रख दी स्टोव के ऊपर एंड ऑयल भी कुकिंग ऑयल डाल दी 2 tablespoons ऑफ sunflower oil. You can use olive oil as well. So we are waiting for it to heat it up. So ये गर्म होने के बाद देखते हैं इसमें क्या डलता है. So oil is quite hot now. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of mustard, 2 teaspoons of urad or chana dal, to that I'm adding half a spoon of turmeric, going to add asafoetida, to this I'm going to add cut garlic. I've taken 2 to 3 pods of garlic. बारीक सा कटा हुआ गार्लिक ऐड कर रही हूँ इसमें, एंड ग्रीन चिली, हरी मिर्च भी ऐड कर रही हूँ, लंबे कटे हुए स्लाइस चिली. To this I'm going to add curry leaves, कड़ी पत्ता, and red onions. अब हम इसे अच्छे से फ्राई कर लेते हैं until they become little bit soft. Not too much, we just want them to get little bit softer. So the onions are fried enough. Have a look at it. That's all you need to fry. इससे ज़्यादा फ्राई मत करिएगा. अब इसमें डाल रहे हैं हम 1 cup of fresh coconut. Let's try this. Going to add handful of cashew nuts. Handful of peanuts. Bit of fresh coriander, and a bit of salt. So for 2 cups of rice, I'm using 3 lemon juice. So I'm adding 3 lemon juices here, and to that I'm going to add this leftover rice from last night. So almost 2 cups of rice. So सारा भी मिक्स कर लेंगे अच्छा सा. Mix it all well, very well. Make sure there are no lumps anywhere with the rice. Don't you think it's looking yummy already? And the smell is too good. And I want to thank you all once again for your immense support. Please do continue supporting me, and that is going to encourage me a lot to bring out more interesting recipes. So please do press the bell icon underneath so that whenever I update a new recipe, you will get an alert. So we're going to leave this on for just 2 minutes. We don't need to cook too much because everything is cooked already. Don't you think it's so easy? It just took me what, 5 minutes maximum. Garnish a little bit more of coriander. And it's all done. Let me just plate this up now. So friends, here it is. Very quick and easy lemon rice all ready for you. Hardly it took 5 minutes to make it all the full dish. I used already cooked basmati rice. So please do try this recipe. I hope you all liked today's yummy and tangy lemon rice. If you liked, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. I'll be coming back with many more exciting recipes. So I'll be seeing you soon.